Hi everyone, it's Amanda from Prowler Proof here, and today I want to introduce you to Performance Plus. Performance Plus is our design methodology where we take industry standard hardware or components and we redesign them. That might be to make them more tamper resistant, more durable, stronger, whatever's required to take those components to a whole new industry level. So the first release in our Performance Plus enhanced range is actually our extended strikes, and we've done these in association with our lock partner ASSA ABLOY. How to promote. So what should you say to your customer about the new Performance Plus extended strikes? There's a few key features and benefits you can cover off with your customer. The first is obviously the length. So they're much longer and much stronger than the old industry standard strikes. And you'll actually notice they're actually longer than the lock or the lock body, making them more tamper resistant. You've actually covered the entire lock body area, and that stops the jemmy attack. And jemmy attack is known as one of the key testing areas for the Australian standards for security doors. So we're trying to make it harder for a lock to fail during a jemmy attack by increasing the overall length of the strike. The next thing you'll notice on these strikes is actually the number of fasteners. So in your center strike, there's actually now 4 fasteners as compared to the old center strike, which had 2 fasteners. And if we look at our auxiliaries have gone from 2 to 3 fasteners. The additional fasteners just help hold the strikes into the jam again during that jemmy attack. The other thing to point out to your customer is that they're made with 316 marine grade stainless steel, so they're more durable, longer lasting, and require less maintenance. How to measure. Nothing actually changes in the measuring process. So the deductions for your sliding door remain exactly as per your normal process. The new strikes don't require anything new in the measuring stage. How to quote. What's changed in regards to price? There's actually nothing changing for your wholesale buying price from Prowler Proof. These are getting put in as the standard now, and you'll pay no more in COSI than you were prior to their release. On the other side of that though, these are unique to Prowler Proof and they are a great selling feature over every other brand. So have a look at your retail price. You might be able to move the offering up because you now have a stronger door with more unique features. How to order. Nothing changes in COSI. Just place your order like you would previously, choosing your triple point lock, and the extended strikes will be included in your hardware box just like the normal strikes have been in the past. How to install. So what you'll receive when you get your hardware box and you open it up is your extended strike pack. So inside the pack you've got your 3 strikes, your center, your 2 auxiliaries, some packers and some fasteners. So there's a range of fastener sizes depending on what you're fixing into, just like there was previously. Packers, so there is packers inside the pack, and the trick with the packer is all the packers are actually the same length, but you'll notice there's a little snap off. So depending if you're using the center or the auxiliary is whether you snap that off or not. Now in regards to fitting, nothing changes. So you put it in just like you would normally do, peel off the little tape off the back, close the door, it sticks on, open the door, and fit it off with the fasteners, just like your normal process. So Performance Plus or P Plus extended strikes are available from the 1st of September. So any hardware boxes that get packed from the 1st of September onwards will receive the P Plus extended strikes. They're available when you order Lockwood triple point sliding door locks. So if you've got a Lockwood triple point lock, you will receive them as standard. For consumers, the website will be updated on the 1st of September. There will be an updated electronic consumer brochure covering off Performance Plus and the extended strikes. The other pages on the website will be updated. We have test reports for AS 5039, so they have been tested and showed that they perform to the standards. And if you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to give customer service or your BDM a call. And hope you enjoy the new extended strikes. Thanks everyone.